Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to access TikTok Shop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to start buying from the TikTok Shop here, start using TikTok here or TikTok Shop, specifically for items that you may want to buy, well, this one is kind of complicated. But first, how do we access this? So, first things first is you want to open up the TikTok app. By the way, if this is the first time you're accessing this, just make sure that you have the latest version. So you may want to open up Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and if you do see any update, install that. But in this case, once you are inside the TikTok app, you should notice that there are going to be 5 icons at the bottom of your screen. So we have home, inbox, profile, and also shop in there. So if you press or click on the shop button here, this will redirect you into TikTok Shop. Now, there are a few things that we need to understand here in TikTok Shop. Now, the thing with TikTok Shop, this is subject for availability. Now, if your country supports TikTok Shop, like for example, the market or TikTok Shop has been available in your country, Shop should be available. But for other countries, like for example in Australia or other countries out there, TikTok Shop may not be available. But there are plans of them expanding to different countries, so you may want to watch out for that. Now, from here, you may want to go and start searching for any items that you may want to buy. And also, by the way, if you can't access TikTok Shop, but it's actually, or your country actually has TikTok Shop, you may want to turn off any VPNs that you're currently using. Because TikTok automatically detect where you are currently. So they would update, or TikTok would update itself once they identify which country you are currently on. And hopefully, TikTok Shop would actually appear. So again, just make sure your location, any VPNs that are actually turned on so that you can access TikTok Shop. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.